CMMC 2.0 is now the gatekeeper for Department of War contracts. If contractors don't reach Level 2, they don't just face delays, they risk losing new awards altogether. Only a small fraction are certified today. Many sit on weak or negative SPRS scores. They need a credible path forward, fast. For Kiteworks partners, that's a major opportunity. A platform that makes CMMC 2.0 achievable, not theoretical. Most contractors still move CUI with tools that were never designed for CMMC. Kiteworks replaces that non-compliant sprawl with a single private data exchange platform, built on 8 consecutive years of FedRAMP moderate authorization, and now FedRAMP High in process. One control plane for encryption, access policies, and audit trails across all data channels. That means faster CMMC projects, easier renewals, and recurring revenue tied to a platform competitors can't easily swap out. With Kiteworks, you close CMMC deals faster and deploy in weeks instead of months. So revenue lands sooner, margins improve, and customers stay happy. Not sure where you stand with CMMC 2.0 Level 2? Kiteworks built a quick assessment to help you understand your CMMC 2.0 Level 2 readiness. Get a high-level view in 3 minutes or a deeper look in under 10. Learn more at kiteworks.com.